Have you ever flushed an airplane toilet and heard that terrifying whoosh sound? It's loud, it's violent, and it happens while you are 35,000 feet in the air. It leaves you wondering, what exactly happens to your waste after you press that button? Does it get dropped out of the bottom of the plane into the sky? Welcome to Simple Things Surprising Histories. Today, we're answering one of the most common and slightly gross travel questions. Where does airplane toilet waste actually go? Let's get the biggest myth out of the way right now. Modern airplanes do not drop human waste out of the sky. The pilot doesn't have a secret dump button in the cockpit. But this rumor isn't entirely baseless. In the mid-20th century, passenger planes used a recirculating toilet system. It used a blue deodorizing liquid called SkyChem to flush waste into a holding tank. The problem? These systems were heavy, prone to overflowing, and worst of all, they leaked. When this blue liquid leaked outside a high-altitude plane, the freezing temperatures instantly turned it into solid blocks of ice. As the plane descended and warmed up, these blocks of blue ice could break off and plummet to Earth. There are documented cases of blue ice damaging homes and property after falling from aircraft. The aviation industry desperately needed a safer, lighter solution. Enter engineer James Kemper. In the 1970s, he invented a total game-changer, the vacuum toilet. Boeing began introducing his system in the early 1980s, helping revolutionize aircraft sanitation. Today, when you press the flush button, a valve opens at the bottom of the toilet bowl. This bowl is connected to pipes that lead to sealed holding tanks inside the aircraft. The system uses a carefully controlled pressure difference. The moment the valve opens, air races through the pipes, creating the powerful suction that moves everything into the holding tank. That terrifying whoosh you hear is the sound of air racing through the system in a fraction of a second. This vacuum effect pulls everything through the pipes incredibly quickly. To keep things clean, the bowl has a smooth, non-stick surface, and just a tiny spritz of blue sanitizing liquid is used instead of heavy gallons of water. So, the waste is sitting safely inside sealed holding tanks. What happens when the flight finally lands? That's where a special ground crew comes in, driving a service vehicle commonly nicknamed the honey truck. Once the plane is safely parked at the gate, a technician connects a thick hose from the truck directly to the airplane's waste tank. They open the valves and the truck safely draws the contents out of the airplane's holding tank. After it's emptied, the system is recharged with fresh blue sanitizing fluid so it is ready for the next flight. The honey truck then drives away and empties its contents into the airport's underground sewage system, where it gets treated just like the plumbing from your own home. So, the next time you use the lavatory at 35,000 feet, you can flush with absolute peace of mind. Your waste isn't falling on anyone's head. It's racing through a powerful vacuum system into a sealed holding tank, where it stays until the airplane lands. It's incredible how much brilliant engineering goes into the simple things we take for granted. If you enjoyed this surprising history, please hit the like button, share it with your favorite travel buddy, and subscribe to Simple Things Surprising Histories for more stories just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.